As a contractor, you're constantly juggling multiple jobs, always on the go. Collecting and organizing the relevant project info is a massive headache. There should be a better way to get that stuff done in the field. magicplan lets you achieve more while on site. It's an easy way to create and share sketches, field reports, estimates, all on your phone. magicplan helps you to keep track of what needs to be done without having to go back. magicplan uses state-of-the-art tech combined with an easy-to-use interface. Quickly sketch and measure interiors. Add photos and notes to produce detailed reports that reduce the risk of any confusion. We combined estimate and takeoff to let you produce quotes on your phone. Accurate job specs are essential when producing estimates, managing the team, or coordinating with customers. You'll get those results on the fly or can send them back to the office. Everything is accessible anywhere and anytime. We built magicplan to make your life easier and put money back in your pocket. But don't just take my word for it. Our community is growing fast. Every day, more contractors are benefiting from magicplan. Schedule a demo today and see why magicplan is the project app you'll love.